In front of you is a Connect card. If you are new or if your information has changed, or if you have a prayer request, please fill out a Connect card and place it in the offering or hand it to an usher.
Hey guys, Grad Sunday is coming up Sunday, June 7th, when we will be honoring all our high school graduates. Parents and seniors scan the QR code to fill out a brief senior questionnaire. We will also be welcoming the incoming 6th graders. Our Real Deal youth are having a barbecue chicken dinner fundraiser on Saturday, June 13th to support the students going to the National Fine Arts Festival and National Youth Conference in St. Louis this summer. You can find this event on our church app or scan the QR code to order your dinner today. The cost is $15 and this includes half a chicken, a baked potato, coleslaw, and a roll.
Join us on Sunday, June the 14th, following the morning service for a brand new fun event called Shenanigans. Feel free to dress in the colors of your alma mater. Wear your Letterman jacket. Yes, I had a Letterman jacket. I also had a purple diploma with my maiden name on it. My husband's yearbook. You're going to want to see what he looked like. So, come Sunday, have fun. You're not going to want to miss it. Lunch is going to be provided. I want you to bring your favorite snack you had when you were in high school or wear your colors. You're not going to want to miss this. This is going to be fun.
We will be having special services with Andre Funsale on Sunday, June 28th. Join us at 10:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Royal Family Kids is hosting their annual For Hope golf tournament on Saturday, July 4th. Scan the QR code to register as an individual or as a team.
One of the ways that we grow as followers of Jesus is by reading and applying God's Word. You can join our online Bible reading group by scanning the QR code.
Download our church app and stay up to date on all things First Assembly. You can join our messaging groups, register for events, and give online. You can find our app by scanning the QR code or by searching the App Store or Google Play Store for First Assembly Greencastle. Look for our logo. This year, we have set a goal of giving $100,000 over and above our tithes to help fund local, global, and future Kingdom impact projects. As of May 2026, about $12,000 has been given so far for Kingdom builders. Join us as we step out in faith and make an impact for His kingdom.